Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. This is a powerful way to reach multiple contacts at once with targeted marketing messages, making your email campaigns more efficient and effective. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to get access. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all marketing activities. Next, look at the left side navigation and find the marketing menu. Hover over or click on marketing to expand the submenu. This is where all your email and campaign tools live, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with this area. From the marketing submenu, click on email to open the email editor area. This tool gives you everything you need to create, design, and send professional bulk emails to your contacts. Now it's time to start building your email. Click the Create Email button in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to choose the type of email you want to send, such as a regular email or a marketing email, depending on what your interface shows. Browse through the available templates and select one that aligns with your campaign goals. Templates save you time and ensure your emails look polished and professional. Click on your chosen template to open the editor. In the editor, start by setting your email details. Enter a compelling subject line in the subject field, as this is what recipients will see first. Add preview text if the option is available to give them a glimpse of what's inside. Make sure the sending address and profile name are correct, so your emails appear trustworthy and recognizable. Now click on the text blocks to edit your content. Replace placeholder titles, body copy, and calls to action with your own messaging. For images, simply click on Image Blocks and upload your own visuals to match your brand and message. Head over to the Recipients panel to configure who will receive this email. Choose an existing list or segment based on your target audience. If you need to create a new list or segment, you can do so by filtering contacts based on their properties like location, behavior, or engagement history. Open the Settings tab to fine-tune your sending options. Here you can adjust tracking settings, set up A/B testing if you want to test different versions, and schedule your email for a specific time. Make sure to configure sender details, unsubscribe options, and any compliance settings to stay within email marketing regulations. Before you hit send, click the preview button to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Use the send test email option to check that everything renders correctly and all your links work as intended. And that's it. You're now ready to send bulk emails through HubSpot to engage your audience at scale. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.